Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. I hope you can see that. I have a crazy special there. It's $60 actually for mentorship. That was actually $100 since yesterday. Actually, for 12 months. Or if you want 12 months of VIP signals, it's only $60. That is actually limited to only 10 people, guys. I know there's people who are very serious out there, but maybe they don't really have a sufficient amount. So that it's meant for you, not for everyone, by the way. I want to go lower, like maybe $50 or lower than that, because I know that is my time. That 12 months is going to worth it, actually. So, yes, you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Sorry, you can see my WhatsApp or my contacts down there. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. I know you just want to skip to go on the daily analysis, but actually, this is going to be, I'm going to change this bit smaller like so that you can actually understand what's going to happen. So I'm not going to be strictly only on the analysis side, but I think since you guys actually already on this analysis, but on this like sessions or on this video, I'm going to make sure that you learn something. Like today, I just want to talk about risk management, trading plan. Whatever that I'm going to share here, it doesn't make you not join the team, guys. You still have enough time. I mean, you still need more to this. I'm just going to explain few things that can make you to understand the market, you see. So when we talk about a trading plan, it's like your business plan, the direction that you're going to use to approach the market, you see. The direction that you're going to use to approach the market. So firstly, I will say, you have to have a pair or instrument. I prefer, or currently I trade only NASDAQ. You see, that is part of the plan. Very simple, by the way. Trading plan, my trading plan is start with NASDAQ. Only that. The second thing is, what time should I trade this thing? What time should I start to place the orders? Or what time should I start to do the analysis? You see, so we know that NASDAQ actually opens around in the evenings, in the afternoons, around 3:30. So, which means I already know when to be active in the market. Yes, I can still do the analysis before that, you see. But I know when is the actual time for me to do what? To participate in the market. During the day, I do what? I have a strategy. That should be part of your trading plan. Do you have a strategy? Obviously, it should be yes. Or the method that you apply on the market or the market structure to get the entries. Yes, I do the trends line trading strategy. It's easy to explain that. Trends line trading strategy. I apply that on the chart. You see, then I wait for the market to open. Then if there is any opportunity, I do what? Then I can attack that. How do I attack the market? I have an entry strategy that I use. Do you have that? Well, you're thinking twice. Yes, make sure that you have that. Have an exact strategy that you know that you're going to repeat it consistently. It works very nice with your trading, like your strategy. They both go hand in hand. You see, another thing, what is your, like, can you explain, like, in 2 lines, maybe your risk management? How much are you willing to risk? When they talk about risking, mostly they talk about the lot sizes and the stop losses, stuff like that, and they done. I think that is not actually complete. I think the way I see it, firstly, you have to understand or recognize that, you know what, my account is this much. I have $100. Then from there, you start to work out your risk management plus your strategy. Remember, I said you're using what? One instrument. Some they can trade different instruments, it's fine. But if for you to be like to progress very quick, only approach one instrument, have one strategy for you to analyze to see the market is going down or is going up. Have that entry strategy, right? Have that risk management. Risk management is going to explain the times that you're going to trade. If the market doesn't give you this sort of a structure, you can wait maybe for confirmation or maybe for the market to break out. Those makes your job very easy. That's why we can say now we're waiting for this, or now we can just say now it's time to do what? To enter. Right? Another final part that I really like is know how much you're willing to risk. That should be part of your plan. Now, remember, the market will be opening later on. So you should know how much are you willing to risk that time when the market opens. Not when the market opens, you start to go around, you're starting to figure out maybe what loss size. No, it should be down and say, you know what, I figured it out. I'm willing to risk $20 and then my account is this much. So it means I can trade for this much before I blow the account, or and then this is the lot size that I'm going to use because I'm willing to risk this much. Every day the structures might be different, but you can still adjust your loss size every day to fit into that risk appetite that you're willing to take. You should have like know that if maybe the market is giving me this much as a profit, because sometimes the market won't just always take your hit or take profit. You should know when it's time to get out. Do you know that? You see, sometimes you should know that, oh, this $2 is fine. It's better than nothing because I can see the market is no longer moving the way I want. You see, you should know when to get out when things don't go the way you want. Also, when you profiting, don't just stay there and act like you are a master something. No. You should know when to get out also. You see. And after that trading plan, what you want to do is to have discipline to follow that every day. Yes, sometimes things might not go the way you planned, but it's better to have a plan. It's better to have a plan than just to go and say, I want to trade, I want to do this. And mostly we just continue like that without that trading plan. And you see that after 2 years or 3 years or whatever, 6 months, 2 months, you see that you were just going on the market to trade without any plan. You just use, oh, maybe 0.05. I saw this guy using that and he was making some very nice profits. That's wrong. Have a nice solid plan that you're going to use, and that make that your habit. You can just repeat that up to the point where you no longer have to use that journal, just because that is your habit. You already know how much you're supposed to lose. You already know those, you captured those things. They now operate automatically. Then you're not going to panic because you're willing to lose this much. And when you're willing that much, there is a plan. Once I lose this much, I get out. Once I make this much, I get out. Do you see that? So, yeah, I hope maybe I did explain much. I think it's 8 minutes, let's say 9 minutes. So I think that is too much. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, by the way. So what's really happening is I only need 10 people who are serious. You saw the special, guys. You saw the special. If you want to be part of the team, that is meant for people who are seriously want to be a part of the team. So if you want to learn, let me know. If you want the signals, VIP signals, 12 months, by the way, $60. You can't get that every. If you split that $60 per 12 months, you will see that actually you just getting things for free. You just get things for free. So let's see. It means that 12 months you actually paying $5 per month. Do you see that? It's just $5 per month. So I hope you understand that. So let's go straight to the chart. So what's really happening here is we are on Bitcoin. I'm not going to waste your time, guys, especially when we go on our live sessions later on. So what's really happening is, yes, we are on this downtrend, and the market is actually around this resistance. It seems like the market wants to break that area and push the upside. It seems like they're starting to push the upside slowly, which is a nice thing. But remember, what I see there is we also have some sort of a resistance which might push the market to the lower side. Do you see this area? The market used to respect that. So we don't know, and we also see that the market was trying to respect that. So we don't know if the market will keep pushing lower, or maybe the market will try to respect. But what I see is maybe around this area we might see a breakout, and then the market might push up. This is what I'm expecting, and that is something that we want, because the market has been selling off, guys. The market has been going down for some time. So I'm hoping that maybe things that will recover very quick, and maybe we will see some very nice days. So now what's really happening on German 40 or DAX? So what's really happening is, yes, we easily see that the market is actually doing what? It was actually on a downtrend, but the market just broke out of that. The market just broke out of that. We see a very nice retest. I just sent the signal. My clients, they are in a bit smaller profit. You can see that. This is a 4-hour time frame, by the way. I sent that today, actually, early, not maybe in, let's say, maybe in 1 hour ago, by the way. So you can see that we actually want to we're expecting to eat from this area, because this is a nice retest. I'm expecting the market to push up. So another thing is, since the market is just broke out of this resistance, to me, I have the idea of say, okay, if the market is getting out of this resistance or downtrend, it means maybe the market wants to do what? To create an uptrend, and change the direction. We've been going down for some time now, so I'm expecting the market to do what? To push to the upside, you see. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that. So what's really happening on gold? We see that this thing's been gold actually has been going down for some time. I can try to clear this out so that you can see actually what's really happening. So I think the market will be trying to recover, as I see the other pairs in the market trying to recover. You see, I see something like that. So, but what I see nicely is around this zone here, there is some sort of a resistance, and here there is a sort of a support area. So I'm expecting the market to push up, maybe to come to reach this area, then maybe before pushing lower, you see. But the bigger picture is, yes, we can easily see that the market is on a downtrend, a very strong one, by the way. But with these gaps that we have here, you can see I'm expecting the market to try to cover this gap here, maybe to push around this area before maybe we can see another sell. I think maybe the market might do that. So I think the market can do something like this. I think the market is very, very far from our resistance. So I'm thinking that maybe the market will do something like that, maybe respect that area and push the lower side again, or we might see some sort of a breakout, and that is something that we want. But we are on a support. I'm expecting a small buy, and if maybe it's gonna buy, my people, they will be eating in that. So now we are on US oil. So what's really happening on US oil is, yes, the market is actually on a downtrend. The market is still on that downtrend. What I see is, I see some sort of rejection there, and when I check, it's very, very, very close to my resistance. Is very, very close to my resistance. So I'm expecting maybe a sell-off to happen around that area. Yes, there is a possibility for the market to break this area and push the upside. So if that happens, obviously it means the market will be trying to do what? To change the direction, to push the upside. It means the market won't no longer go on this downtrend, you see. So which means the market might be trying to change the direction. But currently, I still think maybe the market can still push a little bit lower. Simple as that. I hope you can see that. So we don't really have to complicate things. You see how fast I analyze these things and how many instruments that I already analyzed. Don't you want? I think you should actually have that type of a skill. Everyone wants that. So that's why I say you can join the special. You saw that. If maybe you can afford that, or if maybe you want to join, just let me know. Only limited to 10 people, by the way, because I only take the number that I can afford to teach one at a time, you see. So what's really happening here is we are on US30 4 hours time frame. By the way, we see that yes, the market is still on that downtrend. Guess what? The market did break that. The market did break that area. But since the market broke out of that area, we had an area, by the way, if I can zoom a little bit closer, we had an area that we can say, yes, the market, let's see, yeah, we can say the market actually tried, you see this zone, it's a zone where the market tested that. But now, as we have a breakout here, the market came back a little bit below our resistance there, but it seems like the market is trying to push to the upside. Yes, that is possible, but I think we're gonna see a very nice move maybe later on. For now, yes, the market seems to be a nice retest there. It might be a nice retest, but this retest went a little bit lower, and sometimes it can confuse you because you might think maybe, oh, the market is going back maybe on that downtrend. And if maybe we draw this, you can see that, oh, maybe the market was respecting that. But what I see is maybe the market is just retesting. Maybe the market will be pushing up. Yes, the best thing that we can do is to wait a little bit maybe for the market to open. Even now, yes, the market can still push up, but the best way is to wait for the market to open. I still believe this can still push the upside. I still believe that we can still have some very nice bullish moves. So I hope you see that. So that's why we need to go on our live session later on during the day. We need to go on our live session. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? I think here I just removed that downtrend line there. It was moving like that actually. So I just removed that because now I see that the market is actually creating a very nice uptrend there. So what I'm going to do is, since we have that support area, for now I'm just going to rely on that. So for me to say maybe I need to buy, I can say maybe why not wait for the market to break this area, because now the market is actually pre-market. Or if I can check again, it seems like we can have something that I'll be forcing that. We can have something like that and say, okay, just because we have a retest there, but it did not reach actually where we want. So it means that we will be trying to guess actually. We will be trying to guess. So the best thing that we can do is either we can wait for the market to reach this support area. Let me remove these things. They are too much. They are too much, yeah. So since we have this nice support, there is a chance for the market to do what? To reach this area as a support before pushing up. Or maybe the market might push up, but I will start to have that confidence when the market starts to break that. Some they will be saying, Kenzo, you don't mind missing these pips? Yes, it's better to miss something, especially when I need the market to confirm something for me. I don't really have to jump on the market because sometimes we just lose unnecessarily just because we just want to be in the trades, you see. So I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to remove this as the market doesn't really respect that. So what I'm going to do is I have this sort of a resistance here. So if the market moves above that, it's where I can say it's my time to do what? To buy. So before making this, or I don't really want to make this video very long. For those who wants to join it, I said only 10 people. If 6 come on the signal side, VIP signals, yes, it's still fine. If 6 come on the mentorship side, it's still fine as long as the number is going to be 10. That is going to be 12 months, by the way. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo. I don't really want to make this video. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Remember, later on, we're going to go on our live session before NASDAQ open. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.